What is a pip value in Forex? A pip's worth is attributed to a 1 decimal point move. So, as most currency pairs are priced to 5 decimal places, a pip is usually equal to the 4th figure after the decimal point. The pip's worth is defined by the currency pair being traded, the size of the trade, and the exchange rate of the currency pair. In currency pairs where US dollar is the quote currency, such as Euro to US dollar, Great British Pound to US dollar, Australian dollar to US dollar, the pip value is fixed and is based on the lot size. The fixed values of a pip are $10 for a standard lot, $1 for a mini lot, $0.1 for a micro lot. However, Japanese yen pairs are quoted with 2 decimal places. For yen-based pairs such as US dollar to Japanese yen, the value of 1 pip is calculated by dividing 1 pip by the current exchange rate and finally multiplied by the contract size. For instance, if US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at a price of 136.53 and the size of your position is 100,000 units, the pip price is $7.32. Stay tuned for more CGFX educational videos.